We're back with some breaking inputs coming in. The Satanic versus Storm snowballs, and now the AIMIM has demanded a ban on the book. AIMIM, in fact, has sent out a message to the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, demanding a ban on the book in the national capital, has also threatened a protest if the book is not banned. So the Congress-era ban, remember, was nullified by the court, but dhamki politics on that and a demand to impose the ban again on the book continues. This time it's the AIMIM which is demanding a ban on the book and also threatening that if the book isn't banned, then there'll be a protest. We'll try and connect with the reporters to get you more details and also take you through the post that has been put out by Shoaib Jamei that's on your screens. In this post, Shoaib Jamei talks about his message to the Chief Minister of the National Capital. He says, and I quote, "I have urged the Delhi CM Atishi ji and Delhi police to immediately ban Salman Rushdie's controversial and blasphemous book in Delhi. It will hurt the sentiments of Muslims and we are looking to protest against this at appropriate time and place if needed." Visha joining us in the broadcast with more details. So Shoaib Jamei has made it very clear that if action is not taken, if a ban has not been imposed as their demand is, then there'll be a protest.
Right, Swati. So this book has been the cause of a lot of unrest at several places when it was also released. So not just India, this book has been banned at several places across the world, as what we know. In fact, this book was released 36 years ago, and there were several fatwas that were also released against Salman Rushdie at that time. And now the AIMIM, we've been trying to get a reaction from them, and now speaking to them, but they've been now stating that they absolutely condemn the release of this book because this promotes religious enmity and the fact that this also promotes a negative attitude about Muslims. In fact, the All India Waqf Board is also condemning it. They're stating that this book portrays Muslims in a negative light, and that is precisely why it should not be released. And now the AIMIM, AIMIM is the party of Asaduddin Owaisi, and Shoaib Jamei, the tweet that you just read out is a part of the national capital, is part of AIMIM Delhi, and he has now come out and said that if the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi and the Aam Aadmi Party, the one in power, doesn't take action against this book, and if this book is actually released, they will come out and protest as this portrays their community in an absolutely negative light.
All right. Threats also coming in that there'll be protest if the book is not banned again. Thank you very much, Isha, for getting us the details. With that